At the beginning of the school year, when you are setting up your Google Classrooms, there's a chance that you might want to be a little creative with your Google Classroom header. I'm going to show you how you can use a tool that is called Canva, and you can actually use a template that is already created and make the changes to it and add it to your Google Classroom. In Canva, remember to create a free education account. It's going to give you access to all of the paid versions, but as educators, we get that for free. When you are searching for a design, you can search for Google Classroom header, and it is going to bring up all of the Google Classroom headers that have already been created. Now, this does not mean that you have to use a template that's already been created. You could start from scratch. However, it will give you the dimensions that are appropriate for a Google Classroom header. Now, I am going to show you two ways that you can do it. One way is by just using a plain still image. So if you find a header that you like, you could click on it. You can make the changes that you want to the header. And then when you're done with it, you will click share and you will need to download the file. Now, it'll give you multiple options of how you want to download it. A PNG is fine, and you will just click download. Okay? Now, once you have that file, you will need to go to your Google Classroom, and up at the top where you see the header already, you will need to click Customize, Upload Photo, and then choose from your computer. Now, it is going to have the dimensions kind of already set, so you can see how you can move it around a little bit. You do have the capability of stretching it out a little bit more, but if you can, I would just leave the rectangle as is. Click Select Class Theme and Save, and your theme will be there. Now, let's say you enjoy your header, however, you want to give it a little bit more oomph to it. You want to add some animation. You are more than welcome to add animation in Canva, and it will transfer over to your header in Google Classroom. So what you would need to do is go to Elements in Canva and type in animation. Now, it's going to give you a bunch of animation, and this is like more of anime, but if you do animated, and then you could say like arrows, you will see that there is arrows that are moving, and click on it, and you can drag it over, and now it would be in your header. Same thing if you choose animated letters. Okay, you will see that there's letters. Like this one, for example, if you click on it, now it is over here. Now, here is where it is different when you have to save this. When you are going to save your animated header, you will need to click Share, Download, but you want to share or send this as a GIF or GIF, however you prefer to say it, and you will click Download. Now, once it is done downloading, it will pop up at the bottom of your screen. And this part takes a little bit. When it is done downloading, it, like I said, it'll be at the bottom of your screen. Now, here is how it is different to add your animated header to your Google Classroom. You are going to click on Customize, Upload Photo, but instead of searching from your computer, all you're going to do is go to the bottom where your GIF or GIF downloaded, and you are going to drag it over to the upload. Once it shows up, you then can, make your changes if you need to by dragging it out. Click Select Class Theme. And then you will hit Save. And now you have your animated Google Classroom header. Happy creating!